This real estate advantage property video is presented by Julia McMahon. Charming year-round lakefront boasts 64 feet of shoreline. This 3-bedroom home with open floor plan also includes bonus room ideal for watching TV or reading a book. Featuring new kitchen appliances, including a washer and dryer. Freshly painted interior, new light fixtures, and new flooring throughout. Fully furnished, including patio furniture, hot tub, dock, and grill. Enjoy breathtaking lake views from your deck or enjoy your evenings in front of your fire pit. This home also boasts an oversized garage and a generous backyard. Perfect for relaxation and entertaining. For more information, review the details below or contact Julia McMahon at 716-484-2020.